Okay, so we're on the home screen. So if you want to create a brand new video, you can simply click create new video on the top right. You'll see this in several different areas. So if we click new video, we have the option of going through one of the many templates here. And if we want to use the template, we can simply click use template. If we've built up templates over time, we can actually save our own templates and they'll get populated in our library. So from here, we can also use this template. So for example, if I take time and I have a specific show and I want a particular look and feel and an avatar, I can create a particular template for that, which I have done. And I'll just show you that. And it just makes it easy if you want to do a regular series, right? You can just update the script, maybe the title, and then you keep everything the same. So that is a way to do a video from your library. So if you wanted to create a brand new video, let's just click on new video, select blank, and we have nothing to begin with. So we have to select our avatar, and they're adding new avatars all the time. So we can simply click on our avatar there. We can even resize it. And so that's our first choice. Now, if you're practicing or you want to preview what your avatar says, it won't actually move the lips or animate until you actually generate the video. So I just wanted to point that out. So that's avatar. We've also got our titles. So simply just click title and you can double click just to bring it on the screen. Okay, we have different shapes. Maybe you want to point something out. So it's very similar to PowerPoint. You can rotate the arrows here. If you want to add an image, you can over here. You can upload your own image, and by clicking on the upload media button, there's also a decent library of stock content that you can pull from. So let's just say you're doing a stock update. You can just search for stock, and you can simply bring that on to your screen right there. Okay, we can actually select the record button to share contents of our screen. So I've just done about 10 seconds. I'm just going to take a look at the Bitcoin charts. Over here, we'll click stop. Okay, so here is the screen recording that I just took. And I'm just going to trim it a little bit. You can see in the preview that this is going to make it the background. So we can just click trim. And there we go. We've got another background that we can use in our video. So that's a quick way of getting some content. So we also have the option of allowing music by enabling the music option in the right side. And there's a good selection of music. Now, the one thing I haven't been able to do is to adjust the volume of the music. So you can click add there, or you can upload your own music track. And you have the option to loop it or match the script. So it'll automatically speed up or slow down the video so it matches the script. Okay, so the key area here is the script. And here you basically type it or you can copy and paste. So I'll just do a simple sentence. And we can choose the language and the accent. So let's just try a British warm accent. There's also Australian, but let's just start with a British accent. and we'll press play. I'll just make sure that it's playing through the speakers so you can hear. All right, so you can actually change the accent over here, and yeah, you can experiment. There's a wide range of choices here. I'm just going to leave it on British English. And we actually have the option to add gestures. So we can add a nod, and you can choose when you want to place that gesture in the script. So let's just say we want to have her nod, and then she's going to wink after she says welcome. And you can actually put in a pause and select the duration of the pause. And if there's a word that is hard to pronounce, that doesn't actually pronounce it correctly the first time, you can actually give it some help. So let me think of a word. Tesla. So if it's not pronouncing it correctly, you can highlight the word, click dictation, and then actually just spell out how it sounds. And that is how you can fix dictation. Okay, so this is just a basic sentence. So the dictation won't work on this, and the gestures won't show until you actually generate it. But I think you've seen there how we can just create our very first video from scratch. And in the next lesson, we're going to go through creating a video from a template.